Morning, folks. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the we're going to take up the Cirrus. Make sure my rudder's going right. Yeah, it is. But anyways, I'm flying her with the landing flaps on, the AS3X only. Since I flew her last time, I've gone in there and redid some of the linkages, kind of improved a few things, made sure all the connections were nice and tight and snug and everything.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps.
But anyways,
Time remaining 4 minutes.
flying her kind of high because I haven't flown her in a while, so. But she's a good bird to fly. Hands off right there. Sorry I'm flying so far away, folks. I know I am. Well, there you go. Incidentally, this is one fun plane to fly. But she is a low wing, so you have to be aware of that. See if I can get her landed in one piece here. Oh yeah.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps.
Sorry about the sun, folks. Not trying to blind you. All right. A little bouncy because I didn't have any power on. Okay, we got takeoff flaps here.
Landing flaps.
All right. A little bit better.
Landing flaps. Time remaining 2 minutes.
All right. A little nervous, folks. That's why I'm not talking. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, when you watch my videos, when I'm not talking, you know I'm kind of nervous. Oh, too bouncy. A little too bouncy
Landing
there.
flap. Take off flap. Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flap.
Come in too high and too hot. I gotta get further out. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. All right, folks. Well, there you go.
Flaps up.
That is the e-flite Cirrus SR22. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.
Motor off.